Hi everyone, it's Kim Crumpus, and I just wanted to share a video and some thoughts about trading. Not every day or every session that we trade is going to be a big winning day like the last couple of days. Today, in fact, was pretty much a break-even day for me. I ended up with +2 on the day, and I was down deep in a hole. And the point is that there's a couple points actually. When you trade with small stops, it allows you the ability to recover trades. And you don't have to sit on your computer all day to manage a trade if you choose not to. And you'll see me on the Euro trade. I actually went and worked out for a little bit over an hour while that trade worked. And I used a protective stop while I was gone to manage the trade. So listen in. It's not a big winning day. Again, not every session is going to be a big winning session. And I think that's the point of trading that a lot of traders miss, is that we think we're going to hit balls out of the ballpark, and that's not true. You have to be able to ride the wave and go with the flow of everything. So listen in. Hey, good morning, it's Kim, and I just wanted to talk about a couple of trades. I've already traded the CAD yen and the dollar yen, both on breakouts, and they were failed trades. And I lost 12 pips on the CAD yen, and I lost 7 on the dollar yen. So this one is the Swiss franc, and I have just recently, on this last candle, sold the break, and I'm looking for this to come down and possibly take on this profit level down here at 95.50 or even deeper. We'll have to see how the markets move once they open. But right now, I'm short the dollar Swiss and looking for a break to the downside. Hey everybody, I sold this right here on this last candle on the break. This pair was in a range, and I am looking for that move to the downside to continue this morning. And it got down almost to, well, it did get down to 95.80, and I'm looking for price to come through that and possibly head down into 50 this morning. I have an 8 pip stop on this, and we'll see what it does. Hey there everyone, it's Kim, and I just want to show you this re-entry trade that I'm currently in. I had taken the break earlier on this pair and lost 1 pip, and here's the re-entry that's actually working. There's a minute and a half left in this candle, so assuming it closes outside or on the range line, I'll stay in this trade and try to see if it will work upward. It's been a weird morning. And then let me jump over to the AJ, which is the other trade that I'm working. As you can see, I'm short on the break here, and price is pushing back up almost to my entry. And like I mentioned, just back on the euro, the market's been really strange this morning. It's now 8 a.m. here in California, so it's been a while just sitting on my hands, not doing much of anything, and waiting for something, setups to happen. And these two, I'm in on them. As long as this line holds, this breaking line, I'll stay in this trade for now. But I will consider it if it pushes up into the entry point. Consider either taking a small loss or letting it go to a full stop. I thought I'd give everyone an update, a quick update. I'm still in this trade. There was a pretty big pullback around 21 pips, and I've now locked in +4 on this trade because I really am targeting all the way up here at 250. So right up here. And it is late. It's almost 9 a.m. here in California, noon on the East Coast. So we'll see. Price has a lot to get through, and I may just end up taking it off if it even comes back up to this high. But I'll see how it plays out. Hey everybody, I went for a workout while this trade's been working, and last when I left you, I had locked in 22 pips, and now I'm going to go ahead. I see it's almost up to the target up there, so I'm going to go ahead and move this up to lock in. Let's lock in 39 pips right there. All right, so locking 39, go ahead and change this. And just waiting slowly. So I left, that protective stop held, and I'm just looking for this to come up and possibly hit 0250. Okay, I'm back, and it's now just up at this previous high that it made on the last candle. And just looking for that little pop. It's just less than 2 pips away up into that zone. And there we go. The trade's done for 48 pips. Today was a really difficult day. And part of the difficulty was I was in a deep hole this morning. And this trade helped me break even on the day. I was down 46 pips, and this trade making 48 basically left me with +2. So I consider that a break-even day. All right, thanks. So another thing, you don't have to sit on your computer all day. You heard from me. I went and did a workout in between. I used a protective stop to manage the trade while I was gone, and that's okay to do. So when traders say they don't want to sit in front of the screen, you don't have to. That's up to you. That's your choice. All right, so I hope you have a great weekend, and that's it. Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute. Ciao.